Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to turn on NFC. To enable NFC on the smartphone, enter Control Center and scroll down. Now search for NFC button. If it's not available here, go to Edit, and search for NFC. If this function is not available here on your smartphone, you can always go to Settings and search for NFC here. Go to Connection Preferences and NFC. Switch this button to enable or disable this function. Next, you can require device unlock for NFC, which is recommended. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.